Dhriti Rathi, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, Dhriti, tell me. Sorry. First, read the question. That is bit A.
Look at the pictogram and answer the following questions.
Look at the pictograph and answer the following questions. Okay. Now, read bit A. What is that?
How many students like black color?
How many students like black color? Yes, Dhriti.
2.
Yes, very good. Yes, children, that's the correct answer. 2 students like black color. So we will write here 2 in the first blank. Okay, that's correct. Yes, children, keep on writing the answers and please write it in classwork above bit C. Okay. Pathan,
Yes, ma'am.
read next bit. That is bit B.
Which is the most favorite color of students? Blue.
Okay, which is the most favorite color of students? What is the answer?
Blue, ma'am.
Why blue?
Because the blue circles are so many.
Okay. Yes, children, see. 10, I think 10 students like blue color, if I'm not wrong. Yes, Pathan, is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and 10 is the highest number. So this, according to this data, right? So this means that blue is the most favorite color of the student. So we will write here blue. Okay, fine. Now next, Azlan. Azlan. Azlan, am I audible to you? Azlan, am I audible to you? I think he's not there. Okay, no problem. Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Aryan, please read next bit. That is bit C. Second last. Second last question on page number 15.
Okay, ma'am. Which is the least favorite color of students?
Okay, Bilvika, I'll get back to you. Yeah, which is the least favorite color of students? Least means liked by less number of students. Yes. Least means smallest. Yes, Arun.
Green.
Yes, answer is green because green color is liked by only one child, right? So next answer will be green. So we will write green in third bit. Yes, Bilvika, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, you have given homework now, this bit.
No, no. I gave page number 13 and 14 as well. Yeah. If you have already completed, then you can check your answers, children. No issues. Okay. Advaita,
Yes, ma'am.
please read last question on page number 15.
Which color is liked by most students, yellow or green?
Now you have to tell between yellow and green which color is liked by more students.
Yellow, ma'am.
Okay. Advaita, how many students like yellow color?
6.
And green?
1.
Only one. So which color is liked by more students?
Yellow.
Very good. That's the correct answer. Yes, children. 6 students like yellow color and only one child like green color. So answer will be yellow. Yellow color is liked by more students. That's the correct answer. Very good. Yes, children, please write these answers in your math course book. And those who were not present yesterday, I'll do one thing. I'll share this in MCB so that you can complete your pending work. Is there anyone who is still writing? Anyone? Meghna, are you still writing? Unmute yourself, please.
No, ma'am. Can you send in HW?
What?
Can you send in MCB, ma'am?
That's what I said. I'll share in MCB, okay?
No.
Okay. Okay, so nobody is writing. I'll clear this and we'll move ahead. Yes, children, I want you all to open your math textbook now. Yes, children, you all need to open your math textbook now. And this is page number 187 of your math textbook. I repeat, this is page number 187. 187 of your math textbook. I'll write page number here. No. I repeat, this is page number 187 of your math textbook. Please write date and classwork on page number 187. AVK Ganesh, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, AVK Ganesh, please read this first question.
Look at the
At this
picture and
answer.
answer the questions.
Yes, look at this picture and answer the questions. Okay, AVK Ganesh, what can you see? What is there in the picture? Please tell me.
The children are dancing in the stage.
What?
Children are dancing.
Okay, there are some girls who are dancing. Very good. Okay, and what else can you see there? Yes, AVK Ganesh, what else is there in the picture? Can you tell?
Stage and
Huh?
stage also,
Stage.
ma'am.
Okay, they are present on the stage. Okay, what else? What else is there? Think about it.
Designing.
Okay, no problem. Ashrita, please unmute yourself. Ashrita Gautam. Ashrita Gautam. Ashrita, please unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashrita, what is there in the picture?
The children are dancing, ma'am.
Okay, what else? Good.
And
Yes, think about it. What is there in the picture?
the dresses.
Dresses what? Okay, Ashrita, can we say that some of the students are wearing red colored dress, some of them are wearing blue, some of them are wearing green, and some of them are wearing yellow color. Can we say this, Ashrita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this we got to know after looking at the picture that yes, some of the students or some of the girls are wearing blue colored dress, some of them are wearing green, some of them are wearing yellow, and some of them are wearing red colored dress. So according to this only, according to this information, by looking at the picture, we have to answer the questions. Okay, Ashrita?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Ashrita, please read first question now. Hanvika, I'll get back to you.
Wearing red
How
dress.
many?
How many dresses are?
Not dresses. What is the question? How many
Da
dancers
dances are?
are? Now first bit.
Wearing red.
Are wearing red. Okay, so count and tell me, Ashita, how many dancers are wearing red?
4, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, children, 4 girls wore red color dress. So we will write here 4. Okay. Now, next. Adya, look at the picture and tell me, sorry, first read second bit and then tell me what will be the answer.
Red, blue, ma'am. Wearing blue.
Second bit B, B for ball.
Okay, ma'am. 2, ma'am.
Read the question.
Wearing yellow.
Wearing yellow. Okay, how many?
2, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, children, 2 will be the answer for bit B. Okay. Meghna? Meghna is roaming somewhere else. Okay, Meghna, next third bit. Meghna,
Wearing blue.
okay, how many?
3.
Yes, 3 are wearing blue. Okay, fine. That's correct. Nitya Sri. Nitya Sri.
मैम वॉशरूम के लिए मैम
Okay, ma'am, no problem. Okay, fine. Manvit Raj, please unmute yourself. Manvit. Manvit, unmute yourself, please, quickly. Not there. Hanvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Hanvika, you raised your hand. Yeah. Do you have any doubt?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay, Hanvika, read fourth bit.
How many dancers are wearing green?
Very good. How many dancers are wearing green? Yeah.
Ma'am, 3 dancers.
Yes, 3 dancers. So we will write here 3. So this was easy. You just have to look at the picture and then you have to answer it accordingly. Okay, that's correct. Good. Now, Aliza, on that
Yes,
same page, one more picture is there. This is the picture,
Yes.
right? Now you have to look at the picture and read the question first.
Okay.
Yeah. What is that?
Option the
Observe,
picture give.
observe.
Observe the pictures given below.
What does that mean? Observe the picture given below. Given below. What does this mean? Observe means when you look at something carefully with proper attention. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So this means you have to look at the picture carefully. Okay? Now, Aliza, now look at the picture carefully and tell me what is there.
Cakes,
Okay?
cookies,
Okay.
sweet.
Okay, so can we say that this is a bakery shop where you can see donuts are there, pastries, cakes are there? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Fine. Yes, children, now what you are, and I'll get back to you. What you have to do, you have to look at this picture carefully. Observe means you have to look at this picture carefully with proper attention. Fine. Then according to this picture, you have to answer the questions which are there on the next page. So please turn the page, children. Come to page number 188. Okay. Aliza. Aliza.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Aliza, now please read this question. Count
Some of the blanks
of the bakery items.
of the bakery items. Color that many
Yeah, that many.
numbers of box.
Number of boxes, not numbers. Okay. Count some of the bakery items and color that many number of boxes. Okay, you can see one of the bakery item is there, its picture is there, like first one is a pastry, its picture is there, and beside that picture you can see some boxes are there. Then according to the number of items you have to color the boxes. Suppose there are 7 pastries, then you will be coloring 7 boxes. Okay, suppose there are 8 donuts, then you will be coloring 8 boxes, like that. Okay, so you have to count and then you have to tell. Okay, Aliza, look at the first picture and tell me how many are there. I think it's a pastry. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, 4 are there. Yes, children, you can see here in the picture there are 4 pastries. So how many boxes we will color, Aliza?
4 boxes.
Yes, children, we will color here 4 boxes. That's correct. So let's color these 4 boxes. Yes, children, count and color. And nobody will use sketch pen. You will use only crayons or pencil colors. You are not supposed to use sketch pens, children. You will count and you will color 4 boxes. Yes, Akshaj, I'll get back to you. But first, Aaron raised his hand, so I need to get back to him. Okay, fine. So you will color here. Yes, Aaron.
Ma'am, what's the page number?
Aaron, this is page number 188 of your math course book.
Okay, ma'am.
188, 188. Yes, Akshaj, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, can we use a pencil?
You don't have colors with you.
Ma'am, I do have, ma'am, but it's faster. Pencil is faster than colors, you know, ma'am.
Akshaj, according to the question, you have to color them, and to color them, you should use colors only. It'll look
Okay, ma'am.
better. Thank you so much. Okay, fine. CS Shreyan, now look at CS Shreyan, please unmute yourself. Look at the second picture and tell me how many are there.
How many?
4, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, children, you can see the second picture. Okay, how many are there? 4 are there. You will color 4 boxes. Yes, Anvita?
Ma'am, we have to color any color.
Yeah, you can use any color.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Lohit? Yes.
I accidentally pressed the raise hand.
Okay, okay. Yes, children, again you will color 4 boxes. Color it properly. And nobody will use pencil. You can use pencil color or crayon. Tanishka? Tanishka?
Yes, ma'am.
Now look at the third picture. Look at this third picture and tell me how many are there.
4, ma'am.
Okay, again 4. So we will color 4 boxes. Yes, children, you will color 4 boxes again. Data handling is very easy. You just need to look at the picture and then you have to answer the questions. It's very easy. Shrivas, Shrivas, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Shrivas, now look at the last picture and tell me how many are there.
Stop, ma'am.
Huh? Yes, how many are there?
4.
Yes, 4 are there. So we will color 4 boxes. Shri Hassan.
Ma'am.
Yeah, you are also there, no? Okay. Shri Hassan, now tell me how many boxes we have colored in all. Count all the boxes. Total number of boxes we have colored. Tell me what is the total number of boxes we have colored?
4.
Total. Total means you have to count all these together.
We did not color text also.
You have to count the boxes which we have colored.
Okay, ma'am. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, ma'am.
How many?
16.
Very good. And in each row, how many boxes do we have colored? Each means in one. In one row, how many boxes we have colored?
4.
Very good. Yes, children, total number of boxes we have colored is 16, and in each row we have colored only 4 boxes. Okay, fine. Is there anyone who is still coloring? Is there anyone who is still coloring? Lohit, unmute yourself, please.
I am color.
Still. Okay, children, you have 1 minute time. Okay. Those who are still coloring, please color it fast. Yes, Anvika.
Ma'am,
Yes.
that in third one and fourth one, that was black color and pink color is there, no, ma'am. What is that, ma'am?
It looks like a donut. Maybe different flavors of donuts.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. I'm not sure. It could be a pastry also. I'm not sure. Okay, children. I'll clear this and we'll move ahead now. Okay, children. Now on that same page, that is on page number 187. We have next question. That is question number 3. So we'll do that question now. This is also based on the picture only. Okay. Now I want someone to read this question. Aniksai,
Yes, ma'am.
please read this question. That is question number 3 on page number 188.
Which question, ma'am?
Question number 3 on page number 188. Anik? Anik, am I audible to you? Anik, am I audible to you? What is responding? Akshay, Lakshmi.
Ma'am,
Yes, Akshaya, please read this question number 3 on page number 188.
question.
Yeah, question number 3.
Store books. Take
Okay. Yeah.
a look at call it.
Akshaya, you are not audible. Please read loudly.
Take a look at Bajna, a college of books.
Take a look at Manjeet's collection of books. Collection.
Collection of books. Make a list of the different
List
list of the different kinds of books he has.
Okay, take a look at Manjeet's collection of books. Make a list of the different kinds of books he has. You can see, children, on the right hand side of this question, you can see a bookshelf is there.
Yes.
Right now, you can see that there are lots of books.
Yes.
Yes. Now, what you have to do, you have to look at this shelf carefully and then you have to answer the questions. Okay, Akshaya?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Akshaya. Now read this first one. What is this?
Storybooks.
Yes. Now, on the one side of this box, you can see books names are there, and on the other side, number of books. So first one is storybooks. So you have to count and tell me how many storybooks are there. So we will write that number.
How many storybooks?
Yes. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, children, you can see red color books are there. These are the story books. You can see that. So there are 4 story books. So we will write 4 in the table. Fine. Okay. Now, Riyansika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is the next? Drawing. What is that?
6, ma'am.
You have to read the question first.
Drawing books.
Drawing books. How many are there?
6.
6. Count them properly. First, tell me drawing books are in which color?
Blue.
Riyansika, look at the picture carefully. It's clearly written on the books. What is that?
Purple.
Blue color, no, it's purple. Purple color books are comic books, not drawing books. Now tell me drawing books are in which color? Yes, Riyansika. What is the spelling of drawing book? It's written in your book. What is the spelling?
DRAWING.
Yeah.
Drawing.
Yeah. So, where's that book in the bookshelf?
Second.
Second one. What is written on the second book? Sorry. What is written on the
7, ma'am.
See here, children, if you will look at this second row in the shelf, it's written COMIC, that is comic, not drawing. Where are the drawing books, Riyansika? First row, second row, third row, or fourth row?
Second row.
Second row. Riyansika, look at this picture. You said second row. Is this the drawing? Is the first one drawing book?
Yeah.
Riyansika, what is written there on that book? What is the spelling?
CAMIC.
That is COMIC. COMIC means comic, not drawing. Now you tell me, is this the correct answer?
No.
Then where are the drawing books? Yes, Priyansika. Priyansika, what is written there on the books in third row, which are yellow in color? What is written?
Poem books.
P-O-E-M, that is poem. These are poem books. So is this the correct answer, Priyansika?
Yeah.
Priyansika, we are looking for poem books or drawing books.
Drawing book.
So is this the correct answer?
No.
Then you have to observe the picture carefully, children. Now look at the last row, Priyansika, and tell me what is written in the book.
Drawing book.
Yes. So books which are in the last row of the shelf are the drawing books. Now count and tell me, Priyansika, how many drawing books are there?
7.
Yes. So there are 7 drawing books. So we will write 7 now. Yes, children. So in the second box, we will write 7. That's the reason I told you, you need to observe the picture carefully. Careful. Advaita, stop playing with the dress. Careful observation is required here. Misbah. Misbah, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read third question. Which book now?
Poem books.
How many poem books are there?
5, ma'am.
5. So we will write here 5. Okay, that's correct. Now the next one. Dhriti, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Last one. Which books?
Comic books.
Comic books. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Comic books.
6, ma'am.
Yes, comic books are 6 in numbers. So we will write 6 there. Yes, that's correct. Okay, now. Krishika ji, unmute yourself. Now read the next question. Krishika ji.
Ma'am.
Yes. Please read. What is the next? Now
Now objects
observe.
now observe the table and answer the questions.
Okay, next line.
How many more drawing books than poem books does
Manjeet.
Majid have?
How? Okay, fine. Now the question is, how many more drawing books than poem books does Manjeet have? So what we will do, they asked us how many more. Whenever question is about how many more, then we always subtract. The given numbers. Okay, so you need to remember this thing, that whenever they're asking how many more, we always need to subtract the given numbers. So first of all, we have to see how many